All right, hello. Today I will be sharing how to use Google Slides. So first thing you're going to want to do, you're going to want to get out of here and then you'll come to Google Chrome and you'll come over here with all these dots where it says Google Apps and then Google Slides. You'll slide down, you'll scroll down and then you'll come over here where it says blank presentation. You're going to click on that, left click. All right, you have this screen first. You already got like a setup page. This is everything you're going to see. So there's file, edit, view, insert, format, slide, arrange, tools, extensions, help. Now I'm going to teach you the simple things, the standard things, nothing too crazy, just enough to get you to make a Google Slides. So over here, you have some templates that you can choose from, any type of design you're thinking about. Like there's icebreaker ones, there's ones about plan and presentation, whatever you truly need. So let's say you're making a presentation for bread. So you just put bread right there, and down here you would say bye, and then your name. All right, so that's the first page. You can also come up here where there's like multiple options where you can search the menus, you can create a new slide, you can do undo and then redo. You can also do print over here. You can zoom in and then you can do like a fit where it just like changes how it looks in the area, but we're going to keep it at where it was before. See, so I made it a little too big. So, I guess then you got shapes. You can add in shapes, lines, but right now what we're going to use is background. You can change the color if you want. You can choose from any of these colors, or you can choose an image, and there's so many images that you can choose from. There's also Google Images. You could search up cat and something will come up. All right, you can do that. You can do beach, and you could just put that, and you insert it like that. Done. So, and if you want to change this like gray lettering, you go like this, and then come over here, and then make it a little bit darker as well. If you also want to highlight it, you'll come right back over here to this highlight color, and you could do that color and any type of way you want to do it. All right, and then you come over here, you left click, next slide, and let's just say we delete this, right? We don't have this anymore. Come over here where there's a text box, and now it's like a plus sign looking thing. And then you come over here and now you have a new text box to write, let's say the bread once more. And you could say intro. And that's how you create slides. And then we can also do this as well. You can put a theme if you really wanted to. Okay, is it gonna work? There we go. So you can also do themes. There's templates as well, but sometimes it's easier to do themes when they're over here. So as I said, this is background, that's just the color. Layout is just however you want it to look, like the title slide, section header, title and body, one column, title and two columns, title only, main point, and so on and so forth. There's also a blank one if you just want to put it however you want to. There's also transitions as well. So we'll come back to the first page, and then we'll do a transition. So there's many different ones as you can see. You can scroll through them and see which one you like, and we'll just do that and we'll play it. Slides through. All right, and then we can also do it to this one as well, and we can just say dissolve, and let's play that.